3 plus 3 equals 6, and again 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 times 6 equals 36. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Based on the PEMDAS rule, we first solve the parentheses. So 3 plus 3 becomes 6, and the expression turns into 3 plus 3 times 6. Next, multiplication comes first, so 3 times 6 becomes 18. Finally, 3 plus 18 becomes 21. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.